Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this pocket. I will show you also, I lined it, I will show you also how to line it, to do the lining. I will show you how to crochet it, to do the crochet, and I will show you how to do the lining of it. It's a very beautiful stitch, as you can see, even the pocket is very nice. You can use it as a makeup pocket, you can use it as a school pocket, you can use it in many ways that you like. Hope that you find this video useful and that you start by making the chains. Chains we make multiples of 2 plus 1. Here I'm going to work on 36 stitches, sorry, depending on how big the project is going to be. You make multiples of 2 plus 1. I made 36 plus 1, 37. Then you start by going on the second chain here, and you make a double crochet. You make double crochet all the row, the whole row. A double crochet in every stitch, in every chain. You continue like that until you arrive at the end. The row is ready, the first row. Now here you have to pay a little bit of attention because this is the stitch, the most important part of the stitch. You make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4. You turn the thread double 2 times on the hook. We're going to make a double treble. And we go here to the second one here, this one, but we're going to put the hook from behind here. We pull up a stitch, we slip 2, and we slip another 2, and we leave it on the hook. We turn around 2, another 2. We go to the next one from the back, we pull up a stitch, skip 2, another 2, and we leave it on the hook. We turn it 2 times again from here, from the back, pull up a stitch, we slip 2, another 2, and then we slip them together. First we slip the 3, and then we slip the last 2. Now we're going to make, you turn the thread on the hook like this. You go from here to here and you pick up a stitch. That is the first one. You turn again the thread on the hook. You go from there to there and you pick up another stitch, 2. Again you turn the thread from here to here, and then first you slip these till here, slip them all, and then you slip the last 2. And that is the first one. Now we're going to make the second one. The second one we start where we made the last one here. We're going to make another double treble in the same place. 1 and 2. We leave it on the hook. 1, 2. We go to the next one here, always from the back. You have to pull it. Another 2. Now we're going to slip the first 3 first, then we slip the others. Now we're going to do the same like we did here. Turn the thread, we go from here to here and put up a stitch, another one, from here to here, pull another stitch, and the third one. Now we slip all of them, we leave only the last one, and then we slip the last one, and that is the second one. Now we're going to do the third. It's the same. We start the first one from the one on the one in the same place we made the last treble here. We turn the thread 2 times on the hook, we pull up a stitch, 1 and 2, and we leave the last stitch on the hook, another 2, we go to the next one here, we pull up a stitch, we skip 2, another 2, and we leave it on the hook, and we do the third one. We skip 2, another 2. Now first we skip the first 3, we slip them, then we slip the last 2. That is the second one. Again we turn the thread on the hook, we go from here to here and pull a stitch, another one, 1, 2, 3. Now first we slip those, and then we slip the last 2, and we continue the whole row like that. The row is ready, and we're going to finish it here in the last one with a double treble. We go in the last one here, the last chain, and we make a double treble. Now we're going to start the next row by making a chain, and we're going to make a double crochet, and we're going to put the hook in the back loop here. All the row like that. We do a double crochet on the back loop. Of the chain, the whole row like that. That is the row ready. Now we're going to start the next row like we did this one here. That was the pattern. We start with 4 chains, we turn the thread 2 times, we're going to make a double crochet, we go here on the back, we pick up as we slip 2, another 2, we leave it on the needle, we go to the second one here, we skip 2, slip 2, another 2, and the third one, then we slip them all together, and we slip the last 2, and we're going to make the puff stitch again. 1, 2, and 3. We slip them, we leave the last 2, and we slip them again. Another 2. We start from the last one in the same place we made the last one here. We slip 2, another 2, the second one, the third one, slip them together, and again we make the puff stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Slip them, and we continue the whole row like that, like the first one we made. Then you continue, depending on how large the project is going to be, you continue with the same rows. Then after you finish this row, you make a row of DC, of double crochet here, over here. Always you put the hook at the back of the chain here. You continue like the pattern like that. 2 of these, and this is the stitch ready, one for the front and the other for the back there. I like to close them at the end. When the lining is ready, I close them with crochet, then I'll show you how I do it. So you need to make 2 of these. Then for the lining I cut 2 pieces of material here to do the lining, and a zipper. You will need a zipper. So to start, we have the zipper here. you take a piece of this material here, right side facing you, put it there, and we will sew it to the zipper. First I like to make so the work doesn't move while I'm doing it with the sewing machine. That is the first one, we have to sew it. Then we take the other one, we turn this around here, and we do the same from this side now. We sew this with the sewing machine. So here and here, and then now the material is ready. I sewed it to the zipper. Now I'm going to take this part here. I'm going to attach it to here with the sewing machine, this side, while it's still opened here, and take this side and attach it to the other side here, to the zipper, and sew it. Sew these two so it comes like this. And that is ready. I attached the crochet now with the material and the zipper here. Attached it like this. Now we see if we have any extra material here. As you can see, this is all extra, so we cut it out. This material that is extra, after we cut it out, we just sew here the sides and here the bottom of the pocket. We sew it with the sewing machine. Now as you can see, the pocket is ready. I closed it here, the lining, I closed it from all sides. Now I'm going to show you how I close the pocket with crochet. I start from here. Start from here. I use the double crochet stitch, or the single crochet as you say. The double crochet. Start from there, and I continue all around to close it with a double crochet. Or a single crochet, depends how you say it, from where you are. I continue all around, and I close it with a double crochet. I will show you. I told you this is the final result, how it comes. I showed you also how to do the lining inside. I used a colorful lining. I showed you also how to make the stitch. It's not that difficult to make. Hope that you found this video useful and that you try it. Bye for now.